We are laparoscopic hand-on training institution. Now I want to demonstrate in about 10 to 15 minutes short note about hysteroscope. This is hysteroscope instrument. We will start about talking about telescope. This is standard for hysteroscope. It is 4 mm. It is 4 mm, similar to other type of telescope which used in laparoscopic surgery. But in laparoscopic surgery, standard 10 mm. In hysteroscope, we use 4 mm. And also there is a smaller than this size, which is versascope. It is 1.8 mm. This contains 3 parts. First part, this is for camera height. This is for light source. This is lens. It is 30 degree, cutting oblique, 30 degree. So, another part in hysteroscope, this part called theraputic hysteroscope. It contains multi-channel and 2 sources. One source for input. Beside of me, this is for input of fluid. And far away from me, from exit of fluid. Don't forget, beside of me for input of fluid. Far away from B for exit of fluid. This side, we can separate it. Look for this line. This line should be parallel each one to another one. This line should be parallel. If it is parallel, it is open. It is separated 2 parts. What I want to use should be with this line parallel each to other. And after that, push this part inside. After that, clockwise, it is closed. Now it is closed. After that, we use telescope. In telescope also, this line should be parallel to this line. And there is a small notch in telescope. We will push inside. Gently. Now clockwise. Now it is closed. It is closed. When I want to leave anti-clockwise, now it is open. After prepare this part, we will put source of glycine from here and for discharge from here. And we put this part inside the vagina and we pass inside the cervix and inside the uterus. And turn to the right and to the left from the cable of the camera. If we turn to the right, we see the left side of the uterus. If we turn to the left, we will see the right side of the uterus because we are sitting between the thigh of the patient. So this type of hysteroscope also therapeutic because there is another channel here. From this channel, we use another instrument like scissor or grasper. This part is scissor. We will push this part from here, from this channel. From this channel, we push inside. And slowly, watch it here. When there is septum, we can cut it. When there is fibrous tissue, we can inside the uterus, we can cut it. We can cut it. Under vision. And also there is another instrument for biopsy. Grasper. This is grasper. This for take the small piece. It's for biopsy. So put from this side. It's for take a small polyp or for take biopsy outside the body. And this another instrument. Also this small for take puncture from the uterus. So this is therapeutic and diagnostic hysteroscope. Don't forget, this line should be parallel to each line to be separated. Now this line parallel to this line. Now the telescope is out. And this line should be parallel to this one to separate telescope. When we want to fix, should be line parallel to each line and clockwise closed. Now what about another type of hysteroscope, which is therapeutic also? It's called therapeutic hysteroscope. Therapeutic hysteroscope, sometimes called also working element. Working element. This working element contains three parts. This working part, there's two types, passive or active, and this is inner sheath and this is outer sheath. This is dilator. It is not important. It is dilator. When we want to push immediately, we need to use dilator. And also here there is a guide. Also there is parallel each one parallel to each one to be fixed. Otherwise we will release. So about this part, we have inner sheath and outer sheath. Inner sheath, it's insulated from here. Insulated from here to avoid transfer of current, which we occur during use this electrode. I will show you later. And this outer sheath contains many orifices for exit of fluid. For exit of fluid. And don't forget, this source near to me for input and far away from me for output. Sometimes both of them are the same level, like this. But don't forget, beside of me it is for input, far away from me for output. This one, beside of me for input, it is up. Far away from me, it is down for output. Okay? So when we want to do some procedure, we use this working machine and this electrode. Electrodes many type. This rolling. This is U-shape for do some procedure inside the uterus, and another two type. Each one has its functioning. Suppose I want to use this rolling. There is two channels. One channel in the telescope and another channel in the electrode itself. This it passes in this channel slowly. Look here. Focusing here. There is another orifice here. We push inside of it. Now looking here. And now there is bottom. Should be press on this bottom. Press on this bottom to be fixed. Now it is fixed. Now it is ready. After that, we put inner sheath. This inner sheath. Clockwise, it's closed. After that, we will put outer sheath. This outer sheath. Now it is okay. This is called active, not passive. If we want to do some work, just press on it and cutting the tissue. Suppose this is the tissue. And you connect electrode. How we connect electrode? A current from here. And this connect for monopolar system. And again we will pass telescope from here. Also this line should be parallel to this line. And there is notch in front of it and clockwise close. So it is ready to work now. And we looking to the monitor, suppose monitor here or monitor here, and we will do my work from here. Okay, now anti-clockwise for take the telescope out Now working element for take it out. Press on this button for take electrode out. Outer and inner sheath can be kept together or we can separate it. Okay? Now I will keep outer and inner sheath together. So another type of electrode. This is another type of electrode. Don't forget 2 channel. This first channel pass it through and through this orifice. And from here. And press on this button. Now it is fixed. It is ready. Now where is the outer and inner sheath? This outer and inner sheath. It is together. Will be passed together. This line should be borrowed. This line now it is closed. It is fixed. Now it is fixed. Beside of me for input, far away from B for output. Now it's ready for work. The electrode should be disappear because when it is occur outside it may be create a trauma. Now the telescope should be passed inside, but before push it should be line parallel to each other. Clockwise. Now it is ready for work. Just press on this area and by monopolar system. Suppose here there is polyp or there is fibroid or septum, we can cut it. Bzzz, bzzz, bzzz. This work. So don't forget, first of all, telescope line should be parallel to each line. Separate it out. And this anti-clockwise, this work machine to take it out. Separate the current from here. Take the electrode, push it from this bottom, and take the electrode from here. And this outer and inner sheath should be lined parallel to each other. Take it out. And again, this is diagnostic and therapeutic. And this is working element. Thank you very much.